Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're going to talk about a site that will pay you just for reading a book, right? Sounds too good to be true. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. All right. So this website acx.com is being talked about a lot. You see it on TikTok and on YouTube. It's promoted as a easy way to earn some money. Some videos say you can earn, $4,000, $7,000 a month or whatever just by reading books. So is this like legit? Is this worth your time? All right. So here's my opinion on it. Is ACX legit? Is it real? Does it pay people to read books? Absolutely. Yes, it is. Because the website is created by, I believe, Audible and Amazon. I think somebody else is involved with this company. But yeah, I mean, it's backed by Audible and Amazon. Audible, actually, I love Audible. I love audiobooks, right? But that's beyond the point. So anyway, so yes, this is a legit company, legit website, and a legit opportunity. Here's the thing, right? I think might throw people off. It looks so easy when you hear people talking about it because people just say, get paid to read. Get paid to read books, right? Go to ACX, sign up, read a book, and get paid. Here's the problem. A lot of people, they leave out the little details that are not so little. Keep in mind, when it comes to making money from ACX, you do have to get approved, right? You do have to get hired by the author of these books to actually, be able to, narrate these books. You have to be approved, right? Now, granted, this is all just my opinion. I do not have an account with ACX. I haven't done this. I'm just giving you my take on it. All right. So when you go over, you have to create an account. You have to create a profile, right? And you have to submit. You have to audition for these narrating jobs, right? So I think one thing that I want to caution people to look into it is I would definitely take this opportunity serious. Don't look at it as like, oh yeah, when I get off work, yeah, I'm gonna read like 4 books and make like $300 tonight. No, you got to actually take the time to make a profile. You want to have audio samples of like how you sound, how you would sound as a narrator. You want to really take the time and take it serious before you even start submitting for these narration jobs, because you're probably not going to get, hired all the time. You won't just be able to log in to acx.com whenever you feel like it, pick a book, read it, just read it half-ass, submit it and get paid. It's not going to work like that. And I just think a lot of people promote it like that, like it's that easy, and it's not. Do I think it could be super profitable? Absolutely. But I do believe that this is one of those opportunities that you want to sit back and be like, all right, do I really want to do this? You know what I'm saying? Like, do I really want to, narrate books and whatever? If you say yes, then I say, okay, next step is to really go to the acx.com website and really read about, what it takes to do this, all of the steps that you have to take to get started. Make sure that you will be able to produce good quality audio, because even if you're a great reader and all this and you have a nice voice, if you can't produce quality audio, I mean, you're not going to get hired, point blank, period, right? It's not going to happen. So you need to figure out what do you need to be a good narrator. You might have to invest with in a good microphone. Microphone, you can probably get one for under $100 on Amazon, but you want to get a microphone, you want to get, a pop filters, you want to maybe even get some sort of editing software to, after you get done recording, that you can kind of touch it up, you know what I'm saying, with the levels, and make sure you know how to make things clear, all that stuff, right? You want to take this opportunity serious, because in my opinion, it can make you money and it can turn into an actual career. But just know it's not one of those things where you could just, you know, create an account, log in, and just start talking and get, $400 or $500 over the weekend. It's way more effort than that. All right. So just keep that in mind. You know what I'm saying? Can you get paid just for reading? Absolutely. Will it take some effort on your part? Absolutely. All right. So that's my take on ACX.com. If you are a part of ACX or you're thinking about it, comment below and share your experience with the site, right? Let us know if you're making money. If you're not, whatever, it's all good. All right. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.